These viral room transformation videos are getting millions of views right now. Let me show you how to create these viral AI restoration videos. They're blowing up right now, and I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. First, go to Google and search for capturesite.com. Once you open the website, click on Create AI Video or AI Image. Next, go to the Writing Tools section and click on Prompt Writer. Then write a short description with a few details for your prompt and click Generate. Copy the prompt from there. Now, head over to the Image Generation section and paste your prompt. Choose any aspect ratio, then click Generate. Your image will be ready in just a few seconds. You can create multiple images to build different scenes in video. After that, move to the Video Generation section. Paste your prompt there, choose the duration and ratio, and click Generate. And just like that, you'll end up with videos like this. All the links and tools are in the description below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.